Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and we now have the BQEYZ in the studio. And I did like my overall listen in the unboxing. It's the nearest to an IEM diffused field compensation that I have seen. That is not a Moondrop product, and that's definitely interesting because you have a BA as well. But of course, yes, it will fall to your preference on which one is for you. We have the BLON 03, the KB Ear LARK. You have the SSP for your reference for an IM diffused field, and also the 10T3 as well for reference point again. So yes, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. So yes, let's start the sound test now.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop.